July 2nd, 2016. Here we're at Whitmore Lake. Oh, jeez. Quite a lot of action out going on around here. Quite a lot of people piled up already for the fireworks. Quite impressive. Quite impressive.
Boat's here too. Boat's here too. Boat's here
We're gonna be
too.
looking for a
Boat's here too, Mom.
I don't think we're gonna find
Boat's here too, Mom. Boat's here too. Boat's here too, Mom.
Yeah, boats are here.
and maybe there's a park we can go into. This is the, so you think this is the,
Look at
yeah.
trees.
This is the west side of the lake?
I think so, yeah.
Huh? Huh? We're supposed to be on the east side, I think. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, we're going that way.
Okay.